Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now the point is this. Prabhupada is to say, you cannot hide anything from Krishna. Krishna is situated as Paramatma in the heart, and it is not possible for us to hide anything from Krishna. And he knows it. And that is continuing on a meditation we have with Paramatma yesterday morning. So he is situated. And another important point Prabhupada talks about here is that a living entity, there are ants, there are rats, they look so insignificant. Bacteria, so many living entities, so many living entities in human form, right? And they may be insignificant in as far as this, the material scale of the world and their contribution to the world is concerned. But nobody is insignificant for Krishna. Krishna still, even that person's desires he is noting and he is planning how to fulfill. Prabhupada gives a nice example of this. He says the father has many sons. And it is not that the one son is little uneducated and all, and other sons say, Papa, he was uneducated, we ate him. No. Prabhupada gives an example of killing animals. It is just because animals may not have that much intelligence, but they are also living entities, they are also conscious. And there is no justification for killing. Nobody can give a justification. No. God created there for our pleasure. The people give so many kind of justification. The Prabhupada points out it is not. Rather, they have to give him protection. And no living entity is insignificant for Krishna. That's the heart of Krishna. And that was also the heart of Prabhupada. No living entity. So this principle should be understood. Yes, true, devotees always pray. They don't take Krishna's compassion for granted. At the same time, they also know Avashya Raksave Krishna. What does it mean? Prabhupada says that now when Krishna is satisfying the desires of all the living entities, he is satisfying the desires of every living entity. Even however demonic it may be, Krishna satisfies every desire of every living entity. So when a desired devotee in the core of his heart is desiring with all sincerity, Krishna, I want to serve you. Why Krishna will not take it? If he is sincere. All devotees not asking anything from the Lord, is just begging for an opportunity to be in good consciousness. We are doing service, but we like to do service as a pure devotee, with full heart, with full devotion. We like to do devotion service. But if you desire Krishna, I want to sit down, very attentively, blissfully chant your holy names. Why not allow my japa to be blissful, ecstatic every day? Why Krishna will not fulfill? He will fulfill. When he is fulfilling so many things, why will not fulfill this small thing? The same way we desire something, why Krishna will not? People are desiring so many things material. Krishna is fulfilling. So why he will not fulfill? So somebody... so sometimes there are so many ways you can look at it. Sometimes this question comes, somebody has a very sinful desire and Krishna fulfills, so you may say that why is God fulfilled? See, there are 2 points to it. Number one is that on the person's part, it's not that a God is, what he wants is there in Gita. He reveals, Krishna is revealing, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Krishna's heart is revealed what he wants. But it's now up to you, you want to follow or not want to follow. So therefore, if you insist, no Krishna, I want to do this, which Krishna is not asking us to do, then what happens? We are doing it at our own risk. That is one part. And the second part is that you will say, why Krishna allowed somebody to kill somebody? No. That's anyway death is certain in this world. This world is not created for enjoyment, sir. This world is anyway created for misery. So some misery is due to him for his purification. Even Yamadutta are beating people for their purification. There are no melons. If the Shastra does not work, then Shastra works. If somebody doesn't listen by good counsel, then he has to be beaten up to stop him from sinful activity. So similarly, in our life, we hear from Bhagavad Gita, we hear from Bhagavatam so many nice instructions. We don't want to behave ourselves. Then danda will behave us. Either you learn by hearing or learn by experience. The first thing is to learn by experience, which is maybe very painful sometimes. So the person's karma was due, and this person is desiring that foolish activity is come into it. It's not that Krishna is arranging simple activities. So this all happens. Krishna doesn't create. We do simple activities, we await a reaction from it. Krishna does not create karma for anybody. So now, a very important point again to meditate, Krishna is in our heart. We are not, nobody is insignificant for him. His love is for every living entity, just like mother equally loves all the children. Even though some children may be so notorious, the love is there, affection is there, compassion is there, that is always there from the Krishna's part. And Krishna is fulfilling all the desires. Eko bhuvanam dadati kama. If he sincerely desires, yes Krishna, I want to be a pure devotee, offer you pure devotion service. I want to do devotion service, but with 100% pure devotion. Yes, definitely if you desire that, Krishna will fulfill that. Srila Prabhupada ki